welcome back. A lot has happened to the truck over the past few days. I did some painting. I did try to add some details and stripes. Some of it I do like. Some didn't really turn out the way I was expecting, or maybe not expecting, what I was looking for, but that's just how it is. It's the first time I've really done something like this. Also got myself a nice little machine to make stickers and stuff like that. So as you can see, I've started here. Also did a test on how small the letters can be, so pretty impressed actually. These are 3mm. It might have been even better with a different type of font, but all in all, really happy about that. Right now, about to add details, add lights, start to wire the lights. Unfortunately, I'm missing the lenses for the headlamps. So I did buy this truck or the cab. I didn't buy a complete set, so it's just the way it is. Hopefully I can find something in one of the drawers to make lenses, and we can take it from there. In today's video I will show you a little bit what I did a few days back, and I'll continue to work on the lights on this one, and hopefully by the end of the video we'll have lights in these lamps at least that are on the truck right now. Good evening and welcome back to the workshop. Today I'm going to add LEDs to the front bumper. So what I'll do, I'll add the LEDs, make sure that they are glued in place, and start soldering the necessary wiring for it to be functional. This is the front bumper. If you haven't seen the video where I was showing you the things I've gotten recently, please go back and watch that one. Basically opening up and just start putting them in place. I know maybe I should test them before I put them in, but I'm going to take a chance here and rely on Amazon sending me good working LEDs. All of them are in place. It's time to just add some glue, and hopefully they will stay in place as well. Trying with this one to see how that works. Let that dry and we'll see the result later on. The glue has dried and it's time to do some soldering. They're all going to be soldered together in parallel, so you know, if one LED fails, it won't affect the others. Okay, the pins are bent, and it's time to see if I'm actually able to solder them together. Also need to make sure they don't touch the metal. The positive sides of the LEDs have been soldered together, so it's time to do a little test to see if they work. Just going to start here from the left and go to the right. Great success. All of them are working as they should do. Soldering is done. Let's take a look at the final result. We have one without contact. Let's figure out why. No, it works. Good thing. Just needs some better soldering. we have lights. Just quickly, let me show you the inside of the truck as it is right now. I'm going to wire the LEDs up here. I'm going to put LEDs for the headlamps. I'm going to wire up also the blinkers. Some progress made while you guys were away. I'll hook up this wire and then we can do a little test to see if we actually have lights. So the goal now is basically to see if we have headlights and to see if we have blinkers. Hooking up the battery. First we should have headlights. And we do not. Should have blinkers, we do not. Okay, why is this? Oh, I'm glad I could share this experience with you guys. It might be my makeshift circuit board that's not working as it's supposed to work. Yes, we have lights. So what I just did on camera when I was doing my last and final test, I just blew out 4 LEDs.